had to
know,
think
man.
of something.
I don't know, man. You still got it, kid. You know.
Yeah. Yeah. I left home at 17, had to get on my own. I was young, but I was keen to survive on the road in the fall. Got a gig with my brother-in-law, chopping work, bagging groceries, pushing in carts. I was grateful to be working, but say, my back is hurting. I don't think it's the purpose. No, this can't be the call. At night, I'm on time, just passing the time on my break. I write a song about the love of my life. This ain't right. Couple dollars in change, walking home in the rain, jump in front of a train, bitch I might. On top of the roof, empty bottles of brew, take a hit of my J, I'm in flight. Closing my eyes, visioning Monte Carlos with tinted windows and balling legitimate. Open my eyes, I was in the same predicament. The next week I called in, said I quit. Bitch, I get bigger.